Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is a short snippet of my shower routine. It will be mostly consisted of just my body area, so the products that I use, the company that sponsored this video, and yeah, so it's pretty much my body area. I won't be focusing on my face or anything like that. So if you guys want to see my nightly routine, shower routine, then please keep on watching. But before you go anywhere, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. But without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So like I mentioned before, this is my shower routine and it is sponsored by Asian Cosmetics. And for those of you who do not know, this company is a vegan company and it pretty much sells everything body oils, body scrubs, body cream, body polish, everything of that nature. But for this particular video, they sent me two products. They sent me their body polish and a body cream, both in their French vanilla flavor. As soon as I got these products and I opened it, I smelled it and I was just like, oh my gosh. Like, it smells like French vanilla, but mostly on the vanilla side. So it smells very girly, very calming. Like, it makes you want to actually get in the shower, use your body polish and your body cream. So after using it, because I did put a little bit on my hand right away, like as soon as I got it, I opened the package, put a little bit of the polish on my hand, and then I used a little bit of the body cream. Honestly guys, my skin felt so silky, so soothing. Like, my skin was smooth and soft. Like, that I feel that week actually when I used it and I was on the road, and everybody that touched my skin was just like, your skin feels so soft, like what are you using? And the fact that this is all natural, because for my skin I can't really use products that are too artificial, especially when it has like certain fragrances in it. Like, my skin gets very irritated with it. So yeah, I'm happy that it smells good, it leaves your skin feeling silky, and the fact that it's all natural. Like, don't play. So I'm pretty much going to be showing you guys how I use my body polish and my body cream. I'm going to be taking my shower, so you know, your regular shower, whatever body wash you normally use, you can use that. That's what I'll be using. And then I'm going to go in with my body polish and my body cream. After washing off your body wash or body soap, whatever you used, you're going to go in and scoop out a generous amount of your body polish and apply it to your wet skin. You're going to gently massage away dirt and dead skin cells. You're going to repeat it all over and then rinse to reveal soft, supple skin. Be sure to follow up with your body butter. So after all of this, always ensure you use your body cream. But it's pretty much just exfoliating your skin and getting rid of the dead skin cells and like dirt that your body wash couldn't take off. Like, do you guys see my skin? Like, do you guys see my skin? I just want to know, do you guys see my skin? Okay. Okay. After coming out the shower and, you know, my body's dried and everything, I will then go in with my body cream and just put it all over my body, just to have my body feeling soft and smooth like a baby's bum. Like, guys, just look, like literally look on my skin. This is not even a joke. Just look on my skin, like butter. It's not a game. Okay guys, so that concludes my shower routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys would like to purchase these two products, then definitely check the links down in the description box. If I have a coupon code, it will be down there as well, and it'll also be on the screen. I just have to check back, but I'm not sure if I do have one. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.